Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G50, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go to the settings, and now just go to the sound section. Here you can see our media, call, ring, notification and alarm volume. You can change the volumes just by swiping the dot to the left or to the right side with your finger. Also, we got here the vibration focus. You can just turn it on or turn it off. You can also turn on the don't disturb mode. Now I'll go to the advanced options. If you want, you can also change the notification, alarm or ringtone sounds for your second and first and second SIM, because this phone got the 2 SIM slots. Also, we got here the dial pad tone switcher that's turned on, and now if you'll just go to the dial pad, you will hear the dial pad tones. The screen locking sound, just when you lock or unlock your device, you'll hear the lock sound. Also, we got here the activated right now the charging sound and vibration, so when you will just charge your phone, you'll hear and feel the vibration and sound. Also the touch sounds, when we'll just touch your screen and make some touches. We'll open the app, we'll hear the screen touches. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.